Recently have added another surgeon to our practice, Dr. Michael Hughes. Now, I've known Michael for well over 5 years. There was a time back 5, 6 years ago where he was interested in, joining the practice. At that time, it just wasn't the right situation for me and for the practice.
I had always wanted to come to Austin. This is my hometown. I literally went to high school 2 miles down this road. And went to University of Texas Medical Branch, and so I left Texas because of the military, and always wanted to come back to Austin. I was always like, somehow, some way, I was going to get back here.
Circumstances were such that Mike became available again. And at that point, it was very clear that he is absolutely the perfect choice for our practice. He's skilled. He is a surgeon. He has good surgeon hands, not just trained, in a facility, coming from a non-surgical background. He comes from a surgical background, really was able to hit the ground running. Absolute FUE expert, fantastic with his hands.
It's crazy to come back to a town. Literally my 40th high school reunion will be next year. And so I recognize all of these street names. I don't recognize anything what they look like. It's interesting to come back, but I just couldn't be happier to be back here in Austin. My family's in this part of the country. It's just finally happened.
He's a very nice, very likable person, which is important if you're going to work with somebody and you want to know how is that relationship going to translate to the patients. So that gave me a lot of confidence to bring him on board, and we've been very, very happy with that move.